Check out our newest feature release. This one is on ACH Bank Transfer Payments. ACH Direct Debit is now available as a payment method on invoices. This supports both one-time invoices, text-to-pay links, and reoccurring invoices. Oh, and we haven't forgotten about auto payments either. Why it matters and how this is going to help your business. ACH support allows you to now offer customers an additional payment method alongside of credit cards. Customers can easily pay invoices and text-to-pay links using their U.S. bank accounts. They're also now going to be able to utilize ACH for reoccurring payments. Now, when you create an invoice or text-to-pay, customers are going to be able to pay using ACH. Customers can choose to pay. They're going to select their bank account, and they're going to put all of their details in. Standard bank account verification process is super easy. They're just going to simply select their bank, and they're going to connect that account. They're going to then see the customizable branding based on your business, and they're going to agree and continue. This is a great feature. We really hope you enjoy this new update. Let us know if you need any help at all.